Okay, you guys, I am here at the All Women Everything event. I have set up my area here. So this is my area. They're now setting up for the event. This is my first time. I never even considered doing a live painting before. So this is just new to me. I know now if I ever decide to do this again, I have to get quite a bit of items to be more prepared, but I challenged myself at last minute. It was literally, I had like 5 days to prepare for this. Unfortunately, I don't have any prints or anything, but I'm willing to sell these originals that are left. And yeah, so this is my setup. Again, I showed you guys already that I'm going to be painting this, and this is my table. So yeah, this is the space that is going on right now for the event. It's going to be real nice. So yeah, just want you guys to kind of check that out or whatnot. I'm a little nervous. I'm only going to try to be here for about 3 hours. I definitely want to leave before 12, even though they're staying open till 4.